What's up, XRP holders, guys? There is something happening right now for XRP that we have actually seen before in history. And what I'm about to show you in this video is actually super important because many people, I would say unfortunately, are currently about to give up, or they already gave up in the past few days, past few weeks. They're losing hope, but there is something which you need to pay attention towards, which, as I said, happened in history and is most likely about to happen once again here for XRP. We are very close to something absolutely massive in the crypto markets, and that's why I came out today to make this video for you. I'm gonna take you through it. Stay with me until the end. First of all, guys, like the video. I've been sick for a while, that's why I wasn't on the camera, but right now I'm back, so let's get straight into the content. Okay, guys, so this is XRP on the monthly scale. So every candlestick is 1 month here, and I'm gonna talk about the short-term volatility in a bit, so stay tuned here in the video. But first of all, I need to show you what I actually found here, because I was analyzing the price action and I came across something very interesting here for XRP, and for that I actually have to go back to the weekly time frame, so bear with me here. And yeah, guys, if you take a look here at the current price action, what is super interesting, or very boring actually, is that we have been trading sideways for 175 days in a row. We have been trading here in the same range, I would say between 340 all the way down to 160 roughly, and we're currently trading at $2.19. So we have basically been trading sideways within this range, I would say, since the beginning of December 2024. Nothing actually happened. Now, what is interesting here is that XRP, from its bear market low of 2022, let me zoom out a little bit. So we had a little bull run here from March 2020, and XRP failed to make a new all-time high. Then we had a bear market, and eventually the XRP price bottomed in June 2022. Very choppy, strange price action here, basically for 750 days in a row, straight on sideways price action, a lot of chop. Eventually XRP made a higher low here, and I actually draw a trend line here, so let me actually make this black, and then you can see that XRP established a higher low. Eventually price made another higher low before it really took off to the upside, and right now we are stuck within this range. So let me actually show you why this is very significant, because if I take you to the actual price action from the bull run of 2017, so let me actually show you. So this is XRP's bull run from 2017, very significant bull run. We had the low here in 2017, higher low, massive move to the upside, very choppy sideways range, and then eventually another final push to the upside, which was roughly a 15x alone here for XRP, this move. But basically, in the middle of this whole bull run, we also had this choppy sideways price action, which took the XRP price 203 days before that next major blast off. Now that is interesting because the current price action looks fairly similar. We had a first initial push to the upside, choppy sideways price action, 175 days so far. So is it going to take another, 25 days for XRP before we're going to take off? I don't know. That is a possibility. It happened in 2017, very similar price action. And that also, if we go back before that, eventually that bull run happened, we also saw a significant higher low, very choppy range here, 931 days. And I just showed you that from the June lows of 2022, we also had that higher low, a choppy range here for 750 days. So the price action in this bull run looks very similar to the bull run of 2017, if you would ask me. And if this is indeed, if history is going to repeat, or at least rhymes, then we should expect at least one more big push to the upside for XRP. And as I said, this move alone that we have seen in 2017 was roughly, I can show you right here, was roughly a 15x for XRP. So is the price going to do another 15x from this point onwards? That is, of course, very hard to say. And is it going to take another 20 or 30 days for us to take off? It is a possibility, guys. I just want to make you aware of the similarities that I'm currently seeing. But if we do another, let's say 15x from that low point that we have seen at the beginning of April, then it would mean that XRP would go to a price of $26. Now, in the last few videos, I already showed you several price targets. My actual bull run price prediction for XRP is somewhere around $30. So this target pretty much aligned with my actual bull run price prediction. And there's also another interesting thing that I want to show you here. That is, if we take it from an Elliott wave perspective, or if we actually count the exact waves for XRP, and I also have to make this another color because it was actually in white. But here you can see that so far in this bull run we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're just missing one more wave. And why is that interesting? Because if I take you to the price action from 2017, and if we actually also look at the Elliott wave count, then we can also see that in 2017 typically price moves within 5 waves. So here we also had 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another 5th wave. So is it a possibility that we're going to see one more final big wave here, a blow off top to the upside for XRP and for crypto? I think there's a decent probability. You let me know in the comments what you think. I found this a very interesting coincidence, and I just wanted to share it with you because, yeah, obviously many people are currently getting bored out here by the XRP price. I mean, guys, I read the comments. I'm very active on my X page, and I see that people are really tuning out right now. Well, there is actually no reason to do so. In the immediate short term, the crypto market is slightly more in an optimistic state according to this meter, because the crypto fear and greed index is still flashing greed. So in the immediate short term, I would say next few days, it is a possibility that this meter could reset maybe to neutral, slightly in the fear. Maybe we're going to see one more little dip here to the upside before eventually price is going to reverse. Just keep that in mind. But mid to long term, I definitely expect at least one more big push up here in the XRP price, according to probabilities, according to TA, according to many metrics that I can show you. This is another interesting one. I posted this a few hours ago. XRP is going to explode, and here you can see this is actually the weekly scale. That price is literally getting compressed here. There isn't much space left within the pattern, so from any moment, from any day, we could actually expect the breakout for XRP. But just be aware, immediate short term, yes, it is a possibility to see more sideways chop or maybe a slight correction before that blast off. Also here I posted, we had pump number 1 in July last year. Then we had pump number 2 in November, December. And are we going to see one more final pump to complete this nice bull run here for XRP? I think there is a pretty decent chance here, and that is what I currently expect. And the last thing that I want to show you, and before I show you this, guys, if you want to purchase XRP, trade XRP or any other altcoin, because right now is the moment of opportunity in the crypto market, I can definitely recommend Weeks, Blowfin, Maxi. All the links are down below in the video description. Massive welcome bonuses, so check it out if you're interested. Also make sure to follow me over on my Instagram account, because I reactivated it. I'm posting a lot of XRP updates over there. The official link is down below, check it out. But let me conclude the video here by looking at this chart. And on the left hand side you can see the bull run from 2017 took XRP 343 days to complete. From 2020, from low to high, 399 days, and currently we are 329 days in from the low point of July. So yeah, guys, there's still some space left, some room left for one more big push to the upside. This doesn't look complete to me. I think there will be one more push to the upside for XRP according to probabilities. That was it, guys, for today's XRP analysis. If this was helpful to you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate every single one of you watching these videos on a daily basis, because as I said, retail is currently nowhere to be found. The interest is at historical lows, at bear market levels. So if you're still here watching these videos, big shout out to you. I think you have the chance to massively reward yourself in the next few months or so. So definitely stay tuned here. Also, don't forget to follow me over on my Instagram account, which I reactivated. I'm very active over there with Q&A sessions. You can right now ask me anything. The official link is down below. I'm also posting a lot of XRP updates, market updates. So yeah, definitely give me a follow over there. But as I always say, be extremely careful, because there are many fake accounts out there. Always make sure to follow the correct account. The official ticker is down below in the video description. I want to thank you all for watching, for the support, and I'll see you very soon with another XRP update. Bye bye.